Hey guys, welcome back to Shell Tech. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button right down below. Today I'm unboxing, setting up, and feature reviewing the all-new Samsung Galaxy Fit 2 Bluetooth fitness tracker. This is a sub $60 smart band with many of the same features of an expensive smartwatch or a fitness tracker like the Fitbit. So let's check out the Samsung Galaxy Fit 2. Buying a fitness tracker from Samsung, you would expect that you need a Samsung phone to unlock all its main features. But guess what? I don't have a Samsung phone, I have an iPhone. Luckily, Samsung has decided to make this fitness tracker compatible with their main rival. Now opening up the minimal white box, we have the Samsung Galaxy Fit 2 Bluetooth fitness tracker in black. You can get the smart band in two colors right now, black and red. Underneath the Fit 2 in the little box is the charging cradle and a very short charging cable. And just like every other electronic you buy nowadays, you get a small quick start manual, which you can basically ignore. Looking at the charging cradle and the USB cable, my first impression is the cable is short, and I'll probably be using a USB cable adapter to give me a little bit more slack while charging. The charging cradle has two prongs that you have to line up and click into the Fit 2. I can see this as wearing out over time with the repeatedly connecting and disconnecting of the Fit 2 to the charging cable. Some of the differences between a fitness tracker and a smartwatch is this fitness tracker does not have a microphone or a speaker. So you won't be able to receive calls or make calls using a fitness tracker. But you can receive call notifications on the Fit 2 just as long as you're close to your phone. Setting up your Fit 2 to work with your iPhone, first thing you gotta do is plug it in and charge. Step is to download the Galaxy Fit software from the Apple Store to connect to your new Fit 2. Once you've installed and opened the software for the Fit 2, you'll go through a few steps of allowing the iPhone and Fit 2 to connect. Go ahead, hit get started, hit Galaxy Fit 2. It should connect right away. Pair of devices, hit all the allow notifications. If you want access to your calendar, if you want access to your phone, so it can give you notification. Finish pairing. Go through all the privacy options if you want to send information to Samsung, and then you're all set to use the Fit 2. Your phone will look for the latest software to update the firmware on the Fit 2 and the software on your phone. To track all your activities and health statistics, you're gonna have to install another app, the Samsung Health, with the Fit 2 app to get full function of your Fit 2 device. Some functions on the Fit 2. Alright, so you have an alarms you can set. You can also change your location so you get accurate weather updates on your Fit 2. They have some niche items called hand wash, where you can actually get reminders to wash your hands, and you can set the timer. All alarms and reminders will vibrate the watch since there's no speaker. 2, you can hit the Find My Galaxy and it'll start vibrating continuously until you hit stop. Multiple types of notifications can be sent to the Fit 2. I have here my Gmail. If somebody walks in front of my house, they'll ring. Uber Eats, any type of notification, you can have it sent to your Fit 2. One of the nicest and most customizable feature is the widgets on the Fit 2. You can add or remove from 12 different widgets to make your smart band even more customizable, such as the weather app, so you can get local weather directly on your smart band. Track different exercises such as walking, running, cycling, swimming, and other. It will count your steps, heartbeat, and distance that you've traveled, cycling, running, swimming, or walking. There's a stopwatch and a timer. This Fit 2 actually has something called a stress monitor to see how stressed you are during the day. You got the hand washing app and the calendar. Measure your heart rate on the go, and also control your music on your phone. You can play, pause, stop, fast forward, control the volume of your music on your phone. The sleep widget will show you how many hours of sleep you're getting, if you're getting good rest at night. And you have a step counter to tell you how many steps you've done. The last widget is the water tracking widget, which reminds you to drink water that you have set to drink that day. Some of the customizable features of the Fit 2 Alright, you can change the vibration if it's long or short, or if you just want it for calls. You can put the screen timeout so it's a little bit longer, so you have up to 5 minutes of the screen being on without movement. You can change the brightness of the screen, all this from your phone. You can also make it into water lock mode, so if you touch the screen into water, it won't move until you actually release it in your phone. So you got wake up gesture, so it'll turn on and off. You got good night mode to prevent disturbance at night, so the screen doesn't light up. You can also change the order of some of your options on the band. You can turn on alerts, turn them off, and you can even back up and restore your account from your iPhone. One of the best customizable feature of the Fit 2 is the different watch faces. There's so many choices, you're bound to find the perfect one for your style. The Galaxy Fit 2 has a plastic band and secures differently than traditional watches. It's a little odd at first, but once you get the hang of it, it makes a good and secure fit for swimming and other activities. Some details on the Samsung Galaxy Fit 2 fitness tracker. It's got a 1.1 inch full color AMOLED display. It's water resistant to about 50 meters, so it's perfect for swimming. The Galaxy Fit 2 will start tracking when you start moving. So if you walk, run, or even hop, the Galaxy Fit 2 will automatically detect and track what you're doing. Some cons of the Fit 2 is no GPS, so if you're not near your phone, you will lose some functions. No downloadable apps. No speaker or mic, but I guess that's what you get with a $60 fitness tracker. I think this is a good device for people who need basic fitness tracking and not looking for a comprehensive analysis of their workout. If you're looking for weather, music control, notifications, and basic fitness tracking, the Galaxy Fit 2 would be a great device to buy. I'll drop an Amazon link down below if you decide if you want to pick one of these fitness trackers up. So that was a look at the Samsung Galaxy Fit 2 fitness tracker. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos. Thanks for watching.